Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to rotate a picture in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1, create a new file, then go to file again, place your image, hold shift, resize, then again press Ctrl T on your keyboard, then rotate anywhere. Right click, flip horizontal, flip vertical, again right click, rotate, OK, and apply step 2. Go to file tab, click file tab, open image, OK, then double click the lock icon, then go to edit tab, transform, rotate 19 degree or rotate manually, resize, hold shift, OK. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.